Hello, and welcome to the first video in our Technical Analysis in Excel tutorial series. This video looks at one of the simplest and most used indicators, the Simple Moving Average. Simple Moving Average is a widely used technical indicator which is used to smooth out price data over a specific period. It is calculated by averaging the price of an asset, such as a stock, over a fixed number of time periods. This indicator smooths out volatility and noise in the market, which gives a clearer picture of trends. Support and resistance levels can be identified where the price may be bouncing off trend lines. In addition, trends with different periods can be plotted, such as the 50 and 200-day moving averages, and where these trends crossover can help inform buying or selling opportunities. The Excel Price Feed add-in includes a simple moving average formula, which requires a list of prices and dates as well as a look-back window. Let's dive in and see it in action. We'll start with a simple template with some column headings for the data we need. The first step is to download some historical price data, daily price data for Apple stock for the past 200 days. We are using the Excel Price Feed Historic Daily Lookback formula, details in the description below. Next, we'll use the Simple Moving Average formula from Excel Price Feed, passing in the dates and closing prices columns and setting a look-back window of 10 days. Once we have entered the formula, we can simply change the look-back value in cell J2, and the simple moving average is recalculated. Now we can use an Excel chart to visualize how the simple moving average moves in relation to the closing price. First, we'll add a close price column next to the average column. This column uses an XLOOKUP formula to find the close price from the historical data. Next, we highlight the three data columns: the date, the simple moving average, and the close price. Then, we can select a chart from the Insert tab. Here, we will choose a line chart. We can adjust the y-axis to make the chart more readable. Here we can see how the blue line, the simple moving average, smooths out the price moves shown by the blue line. Check out the description below for details on how to download the spreadsheet shown in this video, and visit us at excelpricefeed.com today and start your free 10-day trial.